G'day collectors, here we have on the turntable Moko Lesney Matchbox 1A Road Roller. Came out in 1953. Yeah, and there are two variations on the turntable. If you look at the roof lines, there's two different roof lines on it. One is more common than the other, with gold trim, red wheels. Still have the tow hooks. So not 1953 is a long time ago. Didn't realise how dusty that one is there. I'll have to give it a wash. I think these are the dark green versions as well. Thanks for looking. Subscribe. Crows in the background talking to each other. Subscribe, like, make comments, please. Thank you. See yous from Paul in Australia. Thank you.